Good morning, it's Robin, and I've got an unboxing for you today. A friend of mine let me know about this company that I'd not heard of before, and it is called Natural Life. Natural Life. They have a lot of clothing and home goods, things like that. The only reason that she thought it would be a good fit for me was because of my hair. You guys know the struggle I have with my hair. So I have opened this but not looked into it. Natural Life. They had a big sale. But even without the sale, the products that I got were pretty reasonable. Boho chic is what I would call this stuff. There's a shipping list and it's on the natural paper. It's called The Chirp. Spreading positivity with messages that speak to us in the heart and soul of natural life. We believe it's the little things that mean the most, that kindness really does matter. You should always be yourself, do what you love, and try to make the world a better place. Pretty cool. Oh, and it's stickers. They gave me a sheet of stickers. Cute. Cute. Okay. So, what I ordered in here is a hair clip. Pretty hair clip. And it's fabric covered. Isn't that cool? Okay. When I saw this in book, I thought this would make a neat shawl clip. And so I grabbed it, but it's got the teeth on the back. Can you see that? It's got the teeth on the back. So I'm not sure if that would work now. It might be too grabby for a shawl clip, but I think it's gonna work great for my hair. Let's just throw it in. Of course, I already have a clip in my hair, but we're just gonna throw this in and see what it looks like. There. Can you see it? I don't even know if you can see it or not, because, you know, I can't see it. So, anyway, that's cute. I like that. Always trying to figure out what to do with my hair. And now the reason that I ordered from here is they have these things called, I think they call them Bandeaus. Boho Bandeau. And they have a half size and they have a full size. And a friend of mine that told me about this, she rides a motorcycle and she wears these when she's riding. And she says she can put it on and it'll cover the whole amount of her hair. And so I thought I would give these a try because of, you know, the mess with my hair. So we have this pretty blue. And it was funny when I filled up my cart. This is a half one. We'll look at the sizes here in a second. When I filled up my cart and then I went back and looked, every one of my colors were these dark colors. So I went back through and deleted a few things. Ooh, this one is silky feeling. Deleted a few things and forced myself to put in some things with some color in it. It was hard for me to do. That's pretty. I like the little touches of pink. Oh, I remember this one. This is the tie-dye. There's a joke in my family. I have several sundresses, and 6 or 8 of them. And I was trying to pick one out to go to something, and I had them all laid out on the bed, and every one of them was tie-dyed, and I did not realize that until I had laid them out on the bed. So now every time I buy a new sundress, I get teased that I'm adding to the tie-dye collection. So this is to go with the tie-dye collection. These are different. These are just not colors I would normally pick, but I liked the blues. And there's that green that I have a problem with, but it looks good on me. It's just, I'm not used to these bright colors as I'm sitting here in my orange vest. But as you've noticed, almost every day I'm wearing gray. I wear gray, a lot of gray, a lot of black. But anyway, so we got all these pretty colors. Pretty bright colors. Ooh, and then the tie-dye one. Pretty bright colors. So let's see what one looks like. I've never seen these before. Never used one before. comes on a nice little cardboard thing. We love to inspire people to give and live happy. They're rayon and spandex. And, you know, it is machine wash and dryable. Perfect. Perfect. This thing is pretty long. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. Be real nice for me. All right, let's give it a go. See if I can figure out how this thing works. I'm so not good at this stuff. I should have tried one of the brighter color ones. Yeah. Whoops. Knock out my sound. That's not gonna work. Covered pretty good. Let's try one of the brighter colored ones. Oh, I know. We need to look at the half one. This one was the half size one. So this goes down pretty far. It goes down about here on my hair. We got more stickers. So it's the same generality. This one is not nearly as tight as the other one was. Not nearly as tight. This one just goes right up to the very top. So it's just holding this part down, which would be fine if it's not real windy. That'll take care of all the wispies real good. So what do you think? Let's see. Can I wear one of these bright colored ones? Oh, that is bright. Let's see if I can figure this out to put the... No, we'll go this way. Boy, I think that first dark one is just super tight. The others have not been as tight. Oh, this one's way longer than the other ones were. Oh yeah, that covers a lot of my hair. I think that's gonna work. Oh, I think that's gonna be great for all the wind. So this is to help with the wind. That should stay on nice and help with all that wind. What do you think? Can I pull off that color? I think so. I think so. Now I'm excited about the blue. This is nice. I think this is gonna work, guys. Look at this. It goes all the way down and covers all that hair in the back. I think this is a score. Okay, so what happened, I can't find the invoice now. What happened was I caught a sale. I think it was like a closeout where they're probably switching out their designs for the next season type thing. Here's my piece of paper. Oh, it doesn't have the prices on them. But I want to say they were 3 for $10. Maybe they were either 3 for $10 or $5 a piece. But they're very, very reasonable. And yeah, I think they were 3 for $10. And then that little hair clip was $10, which is a little more than I would normally pay for a hair clip. But like I said, it is covered in fabric, and I thought I was going to be getting it to use as a shawl clip, which still might work. I'll just have to be careful that those teeth don't pull on anything. So anyway, Natural Life. Just go online, put in Natural Life. They got a lot of really cute clothes. You know, and think of this style of, you know, of the clothes, the long dresses and the peasant blouse type things. They had a lot of really cute stuff. But this is what I was looking for, something to help deal with this hair. Boy, that is long. I'm liking this a lot because it's going to be great. Okay, give them a holler. Natural Life. See you later. Bye-bye.